Today, I'll explain what pre-wash is and how to use it. Pre-wash is a step in which contaminants on the vehicle surface are removed without direct physical contact. Pre-wash can be broadly categorized into three types: liquid pre-wash, snowfoam, and high-pressure water. In this video, I will explain about STEK Pre-wash, a liquid pre-wash, and foam bath, a snowfoam type. STEK Pre-wash is diluted with water at a ratio of 1:10 and applied using a compression sprayer. Spray it generously over the entire vehicle, wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it off with high-pressure water. On average, use about 1.5 to 2 liters of the diluted solution for one vehicle. For easy calculation, fill a compression sprayer with 1.5 L of water and add 150 milliliters of pre-wash for usage. For SUVs or larger vehicles, use 2 L of water with 200 milliliters of pre-wash for effective cleaning. Foam bath is poured into a foam lance and used in conjunction with high-pressure water. For each vehicle, approximately 250 milliliters of diluted solution is consumed based on the dilution ratio. To make it easier to calculate, put 200 milliliters of water and add 60 milliliters of foam bath for usage. Pre-wash is convenient to use in any condition as it only requires a compression sprayer with no other additional preparation needed. Due to its excellent fluidity, the liquid type penetrates contaminants quickly and easily reaches narrow areas. Foam bath lingers on the vehicle surface for a longer time with its unique dense foam, allowing it to react with contaminants. Combining both products allows the penetrating pre-wash to react with contaminants for an extended period thanks to the covering roll of foam bath. While using both products yields optimal results, using either one alone can still provide sufficient effectiveness depending on the situation. When rinsing with high-pressure water, maintain about 50 centimeters between the high-pressure nozzle and the vehicle. Move the water stream slowly as if sweeping, ensuring effective removal of contaminants. The diluted pre-wash solution has a strong spreading property on the painted surface with contaminants. This characteristic helps to loosen contaminants while simultaneously penetrating between the car surface and contaminants, facilitating their separation. Afterwards, washing with high-pressure water makes it easy to remove the separated contaminants. This scene is an experiment to observe the difference between the presence and absence of pre-wash. Dividing into three parts, one will be cleaned with only liquid pre-wash, another with both liquid pre-wash and snowfoam, and the last one without pre-wash, using only high-pressure water. The area cleaned with only high-pressure water has relatively more contaminants remaining. The area treated with only liquid pre-wash has significantly fewer contaminants remaining compared to the area treated with high-pressure water alone. At this level, most contaminants that can cause scratches have been removed. The area treated with both liquid pre-wash and snowfoam demonstrates a cleaner result. Pre-wash helps prevent scratches during the washing process by removing contaminants without direct contact. Neutral pre-wash is commonly used to minimize damage to both the vehicle and the coating layer. Although acidic and alkaline pre-washes exist, they are chosen carefully to avoid harming the vehicle or its protective coating. Most contaminants claimed to be effectively removed by acidic or alkaline pre-washes can also be eliminated by neutral pre-washes. STEK Products is a neutral pre-wash that is safe for vehicles and has undergone specific safety testing for PPF. The wax-safe feature minimizes the risk of scratches during the detailing and coating process. The wax-safe feature is designed to protect the existing coating layer while removing contaminants from the surface. Using a detailing product with a wax-safe feature on a well-coated vehicle enhances water beading, showcasing the coating's ability to repel water during the cleaning process. When the coating layer is protected, subsequent drying and coating processes involve reduced friction between the towel and the vehicle surface. This ensures a safer and quicker operation. Furthermore, applying a new coating layer on top of the existing one enhances coating performance. Pre-wash offers high stability, making it suitable for use on a wide range of surfaces. Diluting water with a ratio of 20:1 is suitable for interior cleaning. The safe neutral formula allows for effective and safe cleaning of interior surfaces without causing any damage. Diluting it further with water at a ratio of 5:1 or higher allows for effective cleaning in heavily soiled areas such as the engine bay and floor mats. Starting your safe vehicle care routine with STEK Pre-wash. Protect what you love. STEK. Thank you for watching.